Introducing the E88Pro RC drone for K Professinal with 108p wide-angle HD camera, a foldable RC helicopter featuring WIFI-FPV height hold, and presented as an ideal gift toy. Product description: attempt nitrogen monoxide, E88Pro frequency 2. Professinal Fuch motor 816 cordless motor quadcopter battery 3. 7 volts 180 mAh LiPo included transmitter battery 3x1. 5 AA battery, not included flying time. 10 minutes charging time 100 mAh. C distance 100 m. Color black white camera 108p. 4K optional quad size 25,205. 5 cm arms not folded **12 585. 5 cm arms folded features with foldable arms, small size, easy to carry. Altitude hold mode function provides stable flight. Wi-Fi function for connection to APK system to capture pictures, videos, and real-time transmission via the phone camera image. 2 camera options: 108p or 4K wide-angle, providing high-definition pictures and video. Headless mode eliminates the need to adjust the aircraft's position before flying. 1 key to return function for easy navigation back home. Trajectory flight allows drawing a flight path on the screen for autonomous flight along the designated way. 2. 4 GHz technology for anti-interference. For channel capabilities: ascend, descend, forward, backward, left sideward fly, right sideward fly, and 360 rolling. 6-axis gyro for stable flying and easy control. 3-level flight speed for added excitement during flight. The quadcopter fuselage is made of high-strength and resistant engineering plastics, lightweight and durable. Functions: up, down, forward, backward and left, right. Sideward flight. 3-level flight speed with light headless mode, only key automatic return altitude hold. Mode UEFI FPV. Trajectory flight camera, video package included 1. XE88 RC quadcopter 1X transmitter 1x3. 7 volts 1800 mAh LiPo battery. Choose battery quantity when ordering 1X USB charging cable. 4X spare blades.